everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. So I'm going to be showing you guys these clip-in extensions from Eayon Hair. This is the hair here. With each piece you get 2 of each piece, and I think it comes with 5 pieces, so, or was it 6? I can't really remember. I'll have it linked below, but you get 2 of each and then 1 of the longest pieces. But I'm going to show you guys how I do my quick and simple install. It's not perfect, it's not precise, it's super easy. Everybody can do it. So to start off, I just make a simple part, not at the very bottom of my head, but like right at where my ears are, like kind of in the middle of where my ears are in the back of my head. And then I laid 2 tracks back there. So I laid the tracks on top of each other just to avoid having to put the tracks all the way at the top of my head, because that's when it starts to look bulky. So the best tip that I could give is to just lay the clip-ins in areas that isn't gonna make your head look chunky or bulky. So it doesn't have to be perfect at all. Like, you can just play around with it. How do you want your hair to lay is where just you want to add the clip in. So usually I'll just look at my head straight on, and I'll look at areas that I think need more hair, and I'll put it there. So I never add hair at the points of my head. I don't really know how to explain where that is, but at the points of my head, I don't lay tracks because I don't want my head to look bulky. Anyways, guys, you'll see how I do it throughout this video. I hope this is helpful to anyone of you guys watching. Please let me know if it is. But yeah, I hope it's helpful. I don't lay my clip-ins super precise, super perfect, nothing like that. I want it to look natural, so I just do like a messy quick install, and they still look really good. You know, if you want it to kind of last for a while and be comfortable, then you'll want it to be more precise and laid kind of nicely so they aren't like pulling or tugging. But if it's for something quick and you're just like running out the door, going somewhere quick, definitely this type of install would be just fine. But I'm not going to overtalk the video. I'm going to let you guys watch and just enjoy, and you'll just see throughout the video how I did it. And then like hopefully this method works for you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. Check out the links in the description box below. I did really enjoy these clip-ins. I love clip-ins, but these ones blended very well with my hair. And again, go ahead and check out Eayon Hair below, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video.